Welcome to UK Learnings. After watch this video, please subscribe to our channel to give us your support. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get upcoming videos. Good luck for your exam.
What should you do when you're driving on a motorway? Overtake using the lane that has the least traffic. B. Use the lane that has the least traffic. C. Use the left-hand lane unless you're overtaking. D. Keep above 50 miles per hour to prevent congestion. The correct answer is C. Use the left-hand lane unless you're overtaking. Explanation: you should normally drive in the left-hand lane unless you're overtaking a slower moving vehicle. When you've passed it, move back to the left-hand lane as soon as it's safe. Don't move back too soon or you'll cut across in front of the vehicle that you've overtaken. What should you do when you're overtaking another car at night? A. Wait until you've overtaken before switching your headlights to full beam. B. Flash your headlights before overtaking. C. Switch your headlights to full beam before overtaking. D. Leave your headlights on dipped beam after you've overtaken. The correct answer is A. Wait until you've overtaken before switching your headlights to full beam. Explanation: to prevent your headlights from dazzling the driver of the car in front, wait until you've overtaken before switching to full beam. What should you do if you're following a car driven by an elderly driver? A. Flash your headlights and overtake. B. Expect the driver to drive badly. C. Be aware that the driver's reactions may not be as fast as yours. D. Stay very close behind but be careful. The correct answer is C. Be aware that the driver's reactions may not be as fast as yours. Explanation: you must show consideration to other road users. The reactions of elderly drivers may be slower and they might need more time to deal with the situation. Be tolerant and don't lose patience or show your annoyance. What color are the reflective studs at the left-hand edge of the motorway? A. White. B. Green. C. Red. D. Amber. The correct answer is C. Red. Explanation: reflective studs on the motorway are there to help you in poor visibility. Different colors are used so that you'll know which lane you're in. These are: red on the left-hand side of the road, white between lanes, amber on the right-hand edge of the carriageway, green between the carriageway and slip roads. Why should you reduce your speed when you're driving in fog? A. The engine runs colder and so uses more fuel than on a clear day. B. The brakes don't work as well as they do on a clear day. C. You won't be able to see as far ahead as you can on a clear day. D. You could be dazzled by other people's fog lights. The correct answer is C. You won't be able to see as far ahead as you can on a clear day. Explanation: in fog, you won't be able to see as far ahead as you can on a clear day. You'll need to reduce your speed so that, if a hazard develops, you have the time and space to take avoiding action. If you can, try to delay your journey until the fog has cleared. When should regular tire pressure checks be made? A. After any lengthy journey. B. When tires are cold. C. After traveling at high speed. D. When tires are hot. The correct answer is B. When tires are cold. Explanation: check the tire pressures when the tires are cold. Warm or hot tires may give a misleading reading. What should you do if the left-hand pavement is closed due to street repairs? A. Position your vehicle close to the left-hand curb. B. Watch out for pedestrians walking in the road. C. Use your right-hand mirror more often. D. Speed up to get past the roadworks more quickly. The correct answer is B. Watch out for pedestrians walking in the road. Explanation: where street repairs have closed off pavements, proceed carefully and slowly, as pedestrians might have to walk in the road. What should you do if there are flashing amber lights under a school warning sign? A. Keep up your speed and sound the horn. B. Increase your speed to clear the area quickly. C. Reduce speed until you're clear of the area. D. Wait at the lights until they change to green. The correct answer is C. Reduce speed until you're clear of the area. Explanation: the flashing amber lights are switched on to warn you that children may be crossing near a school. Slow down and take extra care, as you may have to stop. You're entering an area of roadworks. What must you do if you see this sign? A. Not exceed the speed limit. B. Obey the limit only during rush hour. C. Obey the limit except for overnight. D. Treat the speed limit as advisory. The correct answer is A. Not exceed the speed limit. Explanation: where there are extra hazards such as roadworks, it's often necessary to slow traffic down by imposing a temporary speed limit. The speed limit sign will be circular and edged with a red ring. This tells you that the sign is an order and you must obey it. You're driving at night. When can you park on the right-hand side of a road? A. When you park less than 10 meters, 32 feet, from a junction. B. When you park under a lamppost. C. When you park in a one-way street. D. When you park with your offside parking lights switched on. The correct answer is C. When you park in a one-way street. Explanation: red rear reflectors show up when headlights shine on them. These are useful when you're parked at night but will only reflect if you park in the same direction as the traffic flow. Normally you should park on the left, but if you're in a one-way street, you may also park on the right-hand side.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe UK Learning's YouTube channel. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get more videos. Your support will encourage us to make more videos. We wish you all the best for your exam.